TGI Fridays right there.
Gondola.
Hampton. Oh, the Uber Mountain, yeah. It's Uber Mountain. Uber Mountain, yeah. Don't know if you can see that gondola there.
Yep.
See? It's worth the visit here in Tennessee. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Yeah, that's right. You don't have to worry about where to sleep because they have lots of places to choose from. And they have everything.
That's right.
Food, entertainment, and then yeah.
And then this goes out to the mountains where you can go.
Oh, okay. There's gas station here. National Park that way, and then Ski Mountain Road, and then over here. That's cool.
Go to the mountains. You gotta turn around and get back.
See, there's a river house in. It's large, and look at that pink. Pretty cool. Cool place to visit.
Over gondola.
Little steakhouse. There's a steakhouse here. There's an inn. This is an inn. Yeah. There's a steakhouse right there. There's a river. This is the Uber Mountain right there. I don't know if you can see the top. Yeah,
The gondola.
it's the gondola. The gondola because it's raining. Cool, look at that. It's worth the visit. They still have the dogwood, oh. The spring lake. It's a nice place. It's a nice place. Come visit here in Tennessee, Gatlinburg. Very nice, guys. We don't have much time. I'm glad he's, came out from work early today. So we got to do two things today. We were supposed to go to
Dixie Stampede.
yeah, we had to book a dinner reservation at Dixie Stampede 8:30 tonight, and then we went to Titanic, and then we're supposed to go to the aquarium, Gatlinburg, right there in Tennessee. We're supposed to go to the what's that? What's that? Ocean Park? Aquarium. We're supposed to go to the aquarium, and then
We said go to the
and then we passed by a go-kart and was like, do you want to do the aquarium or do you want to do the go-karts? Like, let's go go-karts.
Good choice, baby.
Yeah. So I've been to an aquarium place. I mean, it's pretty cool. Yeah, lots of fish, but we see that almost every day in Pensacola.
That's right.
Maybe next time when we're down here somewhere.
That's right.
In time. But yeah, we might. Next time we come here, we stay here
Yeah.
and do you know.
Like this?
Yeah, it's nice. It's a different view,
That's right.
different scenery from Pensacola.
Yes, lots different in the mountains.
A lot different, yeah. So yeah, that's nice.
Mountains.
Anakista, here's the Anakista here, baby. Oh, there's the gondolas in Anakista.
I need to get over.
Yeah.
out so we can find places to park.
Dolly
Here they
Parton's
come.
Stampede.
There's one right here. We'll get their
Yan.
spots.
This is gonna be the show here, and we'll have dinner here as well.